What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Charles? Quick demo video for you for your 89 Sabers Graflex. I got this done this morning. This installed with a Proffie V2. You've got CC Sabers in here for your main PCB. Although this is in an ESP configuration, I went ahead and I left the glass eye on, and your second button is in your kit, so that will go out with the Saber. I just like to show that there is shine through in this, just in case you want to leave it there. So I put that PCB down far enough to where you'll get some shine through, and then we'll go over that. 2-button setup. So your top button here, that's your activation, and then your slide switch right here, that's your auxiliary. And then how you get to everything is you just want to flip up this clamp, turn your handle counterclockwise, and then it comes right out just like that. And then this clamp's not glued in. It will slide on you a little bit if you're not careful. So what I like to do is I'll just clamp this down to hold this in place. There's a few different clamps in your kit, so that's why I didn't glue that down. You can interchange them if you want, but basically here's your chassis. You've got your Proffie board right here, so easy access to your micro USB, but you will need to lift the board up to get to your SD card. It's just a snap fit, so you could pop it up like that, do what you need to do, and snap it back down. Currently this just has the stock configuration on it, but there's a copy of your config file on your SD card in case you want to change that. And then, of course, you got a removable battery setup here. So your spring side is actually down inside your hilt here. And we will throw a battery in this guy real quick. So once you throw that battery in, we'll want to flip that clamp back up so that we can take our handle and slide it on and lock it down. And you do have motion controls. Auxiliary over here, and then twist off, or you could just use the button and then tap it again to turn it off, just like that. I forgot to show you the shine through. So you got shine through in that glass eye. That's what I wanted to show you. So in case you want to leave that on, it's pretty cool. We're gonna throw a blade in this guy real quick. You have a flathead screw right here. Right here, that is your blade retention. So you want to take that out of there, or just make sure it's out of the blade socket. You don't need to take it all the way out. Now, you had mentioned you bought a brand new blade. You might have to do some sanding to get it inside this emitter. That's pretty typical with these 89 Sabers, but just a little bit of sanding and you'll be there. It's no problem. Now the stock fonts, they each have their own their own soundtrack. Sorry. Just hold down power for a second and let go. And that's how you play them for every font. And then do that again to turn them off. Hold down for 1 second and let go. And then to change sound fonts, you just tap the auxiliary. We're on a different one now.
Team C.
We
Smooth Jedi.
cycle through all of them.
Smooth Fuzz. Rogue Commander.
That one's rough.
C.
Now to get blade lock up, you're going to want to hold down your aux button and hit the saber at the same time. Just like that. And keep it held down until you want it to disengage, then let go of the aux button. You're not going to see it on this test blade because the Proffie was programmed for a full-length blade, but you will see your blade lock up somewhere around the middle of your blade when you do that, right? So we'll go ahead and take the blade out of here. Everything's working like it should. And then to get the battery out, we just want to do the same thing, right? We'll flip this clamp up, take our handle out, and then from the positive side by your speaker, come in here and you can pop it out with your finger just like that. And that's pretty much your Saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, this guy will go out in the mail to you actually tomorrow because the post office is closed today. All right, thanks.